I grew up playing sports and I've never had good teeth. Be playing basketball, I'd get an elbow to the chin, it would chip it, I'd have to go through it again. I went through this process for many years. So I've had them kind of cobbled together and repaired over the years. I've had some crowns and some other things. And it was always my ambition to get my teeth properly corrected.
Bob is a man of full energy and he smiles a lot. That's, when you see him, he brings light to the room. So his main concern was to change his smile and be more confident.
I had issues with joint pain in my jaw. I had a lot of headaches that I had diagnosed as actually related to my bite.
The foundation and his bite was out of harmony. So to not only address his veneer and cosmetic work, to make sure everything's in function.
So getting this done, the thing that I'm so excited about with Dr. Ash is actually getting the proper bite. And then from there, that's number one, what is so important to me, but it looks good too. The first impression of Harmony Dentistry was very, very positive. I walked in, smiles all around, very graceful, very, very pleasant. His chairside manner is why I'm here today. He genuinely cares. From the very first treatment, he would call me to just checking on me to make sure everything is okay. Send me home, and then call me that night to really just ask how I'm doing. That is uncustomary. And I can tell you, I'm a CEO of companies. That's what I do as a profession. And I can tell you the behaviors I saw from Dr. Ash were best place to work type behaviors. And I was sold immediately. You can't fake that. It's real.